Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right and we have the negative sign here. This one we can change by y to the power of negative number 4. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now, we applied the formula in here. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1, and I will put about c. This one, that is about s. And this one we simplify, we have negative number 3, negative number 3, negative, negative, we simplified. This is the end. Thank you for watching.